play music!
What difference does it make?
What difference?
Keep it open, guys. We're a straight line, which means we're blocking each other.
Douchebags!
Keep it open.
But now I know that you're Soul Brothers and Soul
Yeah, you
Sisters.
the exact line.
You! Zach! You ever play electric guitar?
Oh my God, well, let me.
Let's waste that time again, shall we? Take a hold of your grass and try to pluck out this riff. That's good. Let your shoulders relax. You don't want to be so stiff. Already better. Yeah. Keep on going, don't stop. Take it over the top. Squeeze out every last drop. Make it so really pop. Give it one final thought. And yes, you're in the band. You. What's your name? You. What is your name? Katie. Turn the cello this way, and it's practically like a bass. Pop the strings when you play, and watch how you shred my face. Oh, somebody find my face. I'm shredding it off. Oh, no, sorry. Keep on rocking each note, grab it right by the throat. Keep the rhythm afloat, don't forget to emote. And the songs you wrote, baby, you're in the band. Piano man. If you play the piano, you can play the keys. So just sit it up and strut your expertise.
I don't think I can.
Take a look at this music and let your mind expand. Oh, yes. You're in the band. Now, who is going to be my drummer? Sit your butt in the skins and try to whack out a beat. That's good. That's good. For my grandma. Who's dead. Feel the groove in your pins to slowly turn up the heat. Oh yeah. Like my grandma who's alive. And now rat-a-tat-tat on the bass and hi-hat. Make it juicy and fat. Yes, exactly like that. And I'll shut it down flat. You're in the band.
I still don't see how this is going to work. What will I do?
You just sit back and enjoy the magic of rock.
You mean you're not in the band?
Just because you're not in the band doesn't mean you're not in the band. We need backup singers who can sing. You, sing.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that.
Beautiful. You, sing.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early?
Perfect. You, sing.
Memory, all alone in the moonlight.
No. Backup singer. Groupie. I need a couple of roadies. I need someone on tech who wants to be security.
Can I be the stylist?
Check.
Yes! Mr. Steely, I do not want to be a groupie.
Well, how about being manager? Is that something you could swing? It means I'm putting you in charge of the whole damn thing.
Yes!
We've got our band. Yeah! Keep playing exactly like that. Look at me, coming on G. Yes! Exactly what we're looking for. Zach, my man. Punch my boys high up on G. Just bring them. Yeah! Lark,